안녕하세요. Your Korean speaking partner, Arussa'입니다. In this video, I'd like to talk about Korean pronunciation. Learning a foreign language, at first it is impossible to copy or mimic the exact pronunciation of a foreign language, right? However, by learning the vibe of the pronunciation of the language, maybe you can get close to the native speaker's pronunciation. The other day, one of my global friends went to a supermarket in Korea and he asked, "How much is it?" 얼마예요? But sadly, the clerk couldn't understand him. So in English and French, in other languages, their language sounds like music. There's a lot of up and down and intonation is quite dramatic. However, in Korean, it's kind of a monotone. So at this point, you need to get the hang of the pronunciation vibe of Korean language. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, please hit 좋아요 and 구독. Let's start with this word YouTube. In Korean, YouTube. 나 유튜브 해. YouTube. When a consonant doesn't have a vowel sound, in Korean we always put ı sound. YouTube. And most of the products or services that came from other countries, we tend to use the word as it is. Facebook. As you know, in Korean, a few English alphabet sounds don't exist, like F, V, R, Z. So for F sound, we say P. Facebook. C doesn't accompany vowel sound, right? So S. Facebook. Here you end the sound, not book. We don't have that sound, so book, and that's it. Facebook 해? Twitter 안 해. TikTok, that's it. No more k sound. TikTok. Instagram. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Now let's go for country names. Canada. See, Korean words don't really have a stress on certain syllable. Canada. 나 캐나다에 살아. I live in Canada. Vietnam. 베트남. Egypt. France. 프랑스. No F sound, but we have to replace it with P. 프랑스. No R sound. When you pronounce Lille, it's similar to L sound. So place the tip of your tongue where you pronounce L, but come down a little bit. So you place your tongue on the hard palate, however, kind of close to the teeth. 랑스, 프랑스. But I have to tell you, instead of getting stressed for where to put your tongue, just naturally say 프랑스, but not exactly R sound because there's no R sound in Korean. 프랑스. New Zealand. 뉴질랜드에 살아. 캐나다, 베트남, 이집트, 프랑스, 뉴질랜드. Now electronic products. 컴퓨터. 노트북. 텔레비전. No V sound, make it B sound. 텔레비전. Or TV. Furniture. 데스크. Not desk. SK doesn't have vowel sound, so we put U sound. 데스크. If you say desk, some people might not understand. 데스크. Table. Not table, but table. Make the sound monotone, very simple. 소파. Cushion. Musical instruments. Piano. The vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. We pronounce it like A, E, I, O, U. So piano, we say piano, piano, piano. violin, violin. cello, cello. drum, drum. drum. fruit, cherry, cherry. lily, not re. 리, 체리, 망고, 망고, 오렌지, 오렌지, 바나나, 바나나. Food names, 피자, 피자, 피자 먹자, 파스타, 파스타, 파스타 먹자, 파스타 먹자. 햄버거, 햄버거, order hamburgers, 햄버거 시켜, order 2 hamburgers, 햄버거 2개 시켜. 햄버거 2개 시켜. 따따따따따따따. Is this how it sounds? Not the music like English or French, Spanish languages. 바게트, 바게트. 케이크, 케이크. 도너츠. Whether 1 or 2 we say 도너츠. 도너츠 1개, 도너츠 2개. Drinks. 콜라, 콜라. 코카콜라, 펩시콜라. 코카콜라 하나 주세요. 펩시 하나 주세요. Sprite? Guess how you pronounce it. Only RI has vowel sound, huh? Try. Give it a try, please. 스프라이트, 스프라이트. 스프라이트 하나요. Juice, 주스, 주스. 오렌지 주스. Coffee franchises. 스타벅스, 스타벅스. 스벅 가자. Let's go to Starbucks. 라바짜, 라바짜. No V sound. 라바짜. 팀 호튼, 팀 호튼. No R sound, huh? 팀 호튼. I put a pizza on the desk. 데스크에 피자 올려놨어. So do you see the differences? I bought some cherries and bananas. 체리랑 바나나 샀어. 체리랑 바나나 샀어. I need a computer and a notebook. 컴퓨터랑 노트북 필요해. So, do you see the differences? To me, English sounds more like a music, but then Korean sounds very kind of a percussion. 바나나 샀어. 인스타그램으로 메시지해. Message me on Instagram. I've been doing this in these countries. 캐나다, 이집트, 스페인, 터키 가봤어. 따따따, 따따따따따. That's how I distinguish the sounds between English and Korean. What do you think? What does Korean language sound like? It'd be nice to share your own feelings of Korean pronunciation and language in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit 좋아요와 구독 감사합니다. 안녕.